All right guys, so today we're going to show you how to replace your trigger on the Rupes 3-inch to the new trigger lock version. So if you bought this originally, it did not come with the trigger lock. All new ones will come with it, but we still wanted to make a video showing you how to swap it out in case you had one of the older ones. The reason for it is that when people were turning it over to apply polish, they were hitting the trigger and it was flinging it everywhere. So that problem's fixed now. Let's just get right into the actual fixing of it. So we're going to unscrew all 4 of these screws, but we're not going to totally separate the housing. So you'll see what I mean in just a second. So just to completely unscrew these, I would not recommend using a power tool for this since it is plastic, it is fragile, you can break it. So just use a regular screwdriver. So like I said, we're not going to actually be completely taking this apart. I have had one of these open before and it can get a little complicated putting it back together. We have them all loose, so all we need to do is sort of wiggle this trigger out and you'll see it pops right out. It'll come across, or it'll come apart just ever so slightly. This is the actual switch, and you can see that it has a little square for it to slot into. So we're just gonna fit one side in, try to line up that switch, click it into place, put it back on its side, and then all there is to do is screw it back together. You're gonna wanna start with this screw right here though. You do not need to get this overly tight, just snug it down. That's more than good enough. There you have it, that's the new trigger lock. You can see how that works. You can't click it down whenever it's up, so every time you go to do it, just push it down. Pretty simple.